architecture.
Yeah. Actually, it's like a leg. I had to write this letter to you, saluka. Ngisinikwe lamchita wayekunqandela xa uchukela sisakhula. Esithi uzawufaka ufa khona, but I'm kinda sorry I never had to fucking die with you, saluka. Woke up in the morning with pain in my eyes. Inguba savakala ebusuku ngicina isibane ngexhala. Afternoon it's time to act with a smile on my face. Man and text about on a daily cause I'd rather react than to cry. Live again with a broken heart and in my state. Go before bukhona bayeka abantwana ubuzawuthi ngumchaka. I'm tryna say I'm still like you, saluka. Though you love me till you had to break up of me to your bitch. You said no one could be like me, saluka. Of course I wanted you to be free, but I guess love was blinding you. Look what that shit did to you, saluka. Saye kutamtha kwaqenqeleka inyanga. After way yakhe sanokuveza ubukhaka. Kudala ngisitsho alibambi wedwa elathanga. Waiting for a bitch in a dark shelter. Amaze belelephi but uthe uyeza. Asking no questions ngathi ubanjwe ngeyeza. Acting like akhomda ukukhathalele you noba uphambene. Saluka bendikuthanda noba ubumenemene. Khana nifuna wehlukane nelamenemene. But now I ain't perfect. Zange ndiye nasemngcwabeni ngicela ungixolele. But damn I fucking miss you. Manje njonga ifoni ngathi uzawuthi ungifonele. If uye kwantshabalala ndiyeza ngicela uzundindele. Zona zethu zininzi soze basixolele. Before your death sabifa zange ndikuxolele. Yesterday I woke up navula indaba ngo-6. California I gotta take this call xa ngisithi ngusis. Usis akafana phone damn inoba ndiflopile. Ingabe ixesha ulibonile. Tears start to fall in my eyes inika yami izixhomile. And not forgetting he did all that shit for a bitch. I will never be cool with you, saluka. I will never. Yeah, cause I sleep, fall, I can't get up. Sleep, I fall, I can't get up. Cause I sleep, fall, I can't get up. I will never be cool with you, saluka.